Hi guys. So I open my garage and this huge worm drops from off the garage door. And when I tell you, it's been raining like crazy up here in North Georgia near the mountains. But never seen quite a, well, I guess because it's not in mud. I've probably seen one before, but one this clear, it's kind of crazy. So, I don't know if I should just let it be. Wow, and here's another baby worm. This is crazy. Where are they coming from? It's moving right along this other worm. Wow. That's nature for you. Anyways, guys, if you want to hear any critique on the NFL or stuff like that about sports, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. I got some more content coming soon. I like to catch nature sometime. When I see stuff like this, it's just crazy, crazy weird. I wish my camera was better. It looks like it's heading somewhere. But where? Weird. This is the type of stuff that I catch, guys. Like, I have some weird stuff. Where are you going, buddy? Over here by the ladder and the shovel? I don't know. Probably trying to get some dirt. It's crazy.